In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit Solana into Axiom Pro. So this video will explain everything you need to do. If you need an account on Axiom Pro, you can click on the link in the description and it will give you 10% off trading fees. To deposit to Solana, you first need to log into your account, then go to deposit in the top right hand corner. Just make sure you are on the Solana coin here, because you can also deposit in BNB as well, but make sure you've got Solana selected, then click on deposit. That will then give you a deposit address. It will also give you a QR code you can scan. Copy the deposit address. Then go ahead and open up your wallet. So I'm going to go to Phantom Wallet. We can then go to send. I can choose the Solana cryptocurrency and we can then paste in the deposit address. I'm going to send the max amount of Solana, and we can then go ahead and see how much is available and how much we're sending in US dollars. We can then click next. Then go ahead and click on send, and it will then send that much Solana to your account. You can view the transaction as well. As you can see, now on the account, we now have that Solana. It's now been added. And just like that, we can now go ahead and start buying meme coins. So that is all we have to do.